Hi, welcome back to a new vlog. How do you do? I hope you are doing well. Happy new year. Happy new year. We made it to the new year by the grace of God. If today is your first time on this channel, welcome to you. My name is Nana Bimabet. On this platform I am called Versatile Nana. This is how I live in Ghana. Akwaba to you and to all my returning subscribers. I love you. I appreciate you so much. So I ended the vlog, the previous vlog you watched before this. I said that nature will be coming today. Who doesn't like free things? She's not coming today. I don't know when she will come, but in the meantime, I thought Mami Sewa will be coming today. So I planned a surprise for her. I'll flip the camera for you to see the surprise that I am making for her. So I am making custard ice cream or custard, I believe. I already have the full recipe on the channel, so I will link it in the description area for your reference. Hi, good morning. How are you doing? I think the voice is back, right? Yeah, you are the first person I'm talking to today. It's the 4th of December. It's the 4th of January 2023. Yeah, today is the first working day for us. Yesterday we were asked not to come, so today is the first day of work, and as a good citizen I want to go to work today. So I'm getting dressed. I have water on the stove. I have already, see, this is my wardrobe. Everything is lined up beautifully. Guys, in my family, most of them, they are here, including my mother. So they want their things. Pepper. My mother is the type, anytime I go home, she fights me. I don't know why I did not take that thing from her. I don't know. When you pick A from here, you have to put it back there. Anytime I go home, she fights me. I want to quickly freshen up and see. It's almost, I think, 7:30. So if not possible, when I get back from work, I have this video that is pushing me, do me to do. So if I don't do it this morning, I will do it when I get back from work. Okay, so I am ready. I am done. I'll show you the outfit of the day. The weather is beginning to be sunny, but but this is what I have on. I love wedge when I'm going to work, when I'm going to church, when I'm stepping out. I love wedge and block. I don't like pencil heels. No, I like wedge or block shoes. But if I'm going to work, I love it flat. I'm going home from work. I got charcoal. Yeah. So yesterday I got another bag of charcoal because this one is extremely soft. So I had wanted a harder one, but this is intermediate. The new one I got is intermediate. Okay, now that I am here, let me show you the outfit of the day. Yeah, this is what I have on, and as usual, on a flat note. So this is it. Guys, this thing here, in the vlog that I made Banku, the earlier vlog you watched, this one, it's nearly blinded me. This thing here nearly blinded me. So I was going, it was here, and I forgot that it was at this direction. So it nearly poked my eyes, but then it scratched me. I didn't know that it had left a mark. Look at the pussycat marks I have here. I am thankful. I just saw it this morning, but I'm thankful to God that nothing evil befell me. Okay, so every day on my way to work and back, is it a good grammar? Okay. I bypass the prisons every morning and evening on my way to work and back home. So on this day, anytime I get to the prison gate, I become curious and I become so sad. There are some of the prisoners, I see them, they don't look good. They don't look good, but then it's normal for me because I've been seeing them every now and then in that state. On this day, as I was getting closer, I saw a gentleman neatly dressed in handcuffs. Then I sensed that he could be a new inmate. As I got closer to the prison gate, I heard the door making noise, only for me to look there and see someone walking out. So one of the prison guards asked him, say, "Kiruku, where are you going?" Then he said, "I've been freed." So as Kiruku has been freed, AB is now coming in. And I looked at the expression on their faces. One was happy. I know that as Kiruku saw the new convict, he remembered the day he first walked into the prison yard. And Mr. AB, also seeing Kiruku being freed, was asking himself, when would this be my fate? Kiruku was happy he was leaving, but AB was sad to be there. The point I'm arriving is, do we really appreciate the freedom we enjoy? Let's pause for a moment and thank God for the freedom we have. We all know that some people are in the prisons not because they are criminals, but they found themselves at the wrong place at the wrong time, and that landed them there. Let's thank God for the freedom we enjoy. On this note, I want to say thank you so much for enjoying this vlog. Let me know what you learned in this vlog in the comment section. Until I come your way with another video, I plead that whenever you say a prayer, you don't forget to say one for me and my household. And I leave you with the peace and the mercy of the Most High. Peace. Say shalom and chop peace. Bye-bye.